Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Rekha, Assistant Professor of Commerce. This video is for candidates who have applied for Common Eligibility Test 2021. Before that, my channel is related to education, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and click bell button so that you get notification of my upcoming videos. Common eligibility test is going to be conducted on 20th September 2021 for the admission of MPhil and PhD programs for the academic year 2021-22 offered in the university department, affiliated colleges and recognized research institutions. Username and password for CET exam will be sent to your email ID, and also you will be added to the WhatsApp group of Invigilator. So Invigilator will monitor you throughout the exam. One of the latest update is that you have to use your laptop, tablet or desktop. You are not allowed to use smartphones, and you are allowed to use only one browser with two tabs, that is examination tab and Invigilator tab. If you open any excess tab in your browser window, it will be automatically terminate you from the examination window. So before the exam, you have to clear Chrome browser and Firefox browser. And for the exam, you have to open online examination portal and Google Meet, because Invigilator will continuously watch and monitor the students during the entire duration of the examination through Google Meet. If you move from the camera or if you do any malpractice on the screen of your device, then Invigilator will issue warnings, and the number of warnings issued to each student will be duly recorded in the online examination system, and it will affect the overall creditability score of such candidates. Next, let's see how to attend the online exam. URL to attend the online exam is cet2021.b-u.ac.in. I have given the link in my description. The page will open like this. You have to log in with ID and password. In the next section, details of your name, center code, subject code, course code, and the number of question is 50 and the duration is 90 minutes. It will be visible. As you can attend the exam from your own residence, the center code will be visible as BU. Then you have to give continue. Next, you will receive a warning like you should not access any other window while answering questions. Then you can start attending the exam. You can select the appropriate answer for each questions, and you can use next button to move to the next questions, and also you can use previous button to move to the previous questions. When you select the questions, you can see the changes on the question numbers in the question panel, which is visible on the right side of the question displayed on the screen. When you answer a question, it will turn green color, and which is not answered will be displayed in red color, and the questions that are being answered will be blue in color. So you have to check the answered and unanswered status in the examination window to know your progress. Only after visiting the last question you will receive submit button. So after answering all the questions, you can give submit button. Well, then you will receive confirmation pop-up window. It will appear to ensure that your submission can be downloaded for future reference. As you complete the exam, the system will automatically submit your examination answers and section will be closed. After completion of the exam, you will be able to view the number of questions and the number of questions which you have answered, then date and time of the examination. So let's see what are the instructions to be followed while attending the online exam. Exam is going to be conducted on 20th September 2021 and the time is 11 AM till 12:30 PM. Candidates who are going to write CET exam will receive username and password to your registered email ID, and also you will receive SMS to your mobile phone. Before attending the exam, you have to be seated in a proper lighting room with a wall as a background. And while attending the exam, the web camera should focus on your face. You have to keep identity proof ready at the time of examination. You can use Aadhaar, voter ID, passport, any government authorized ID you can use. For rough work, you can use blank A4 size white sheet. Suppose if you are using spectacles, then it should be transparent and non-reflecting glasses. After the commencement of the exam, you are not allowed to move away from the examination screen because Invigilator will be watching you. While the exam is in progress, you should not move away from the main screen, or you should not talk to anyone, and also you should not refer any materials. Such activities lead to cancellation of your examinations. Relogin option is allowed only 3 times to resume your examination in case of any other interruptions. Suppose if you are using laptop or desktops, then you are allowed to scroll the cursor with the mouse to answer the question. So you should not use keyboards while attempting the examination. For attending the exam, you have to use only single device. That is, you should not use multiple devices at a time. And for any reason, you should not leave your place during the examinations. Remember that exam invigilator is monitoring you, so you should not cover your face with hair, cloth or mask or anything else. And also you should not use headphones, earbuds, sunglasses. Your background should be silent. There should be no any other noises from a television or music. During the online examinations, you should not take photos, screenshots and a recorded video. If found doing such activities, it will be treated as malpractice. If you have any more doubts, you can drop in the comment or Instagram. And for receiving latest updates, you can join my Telegram group. Link I have given in the description. Hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.